Get ready for the future of video editing with Edius 11. Edius is well known for its stability, benchmark-setting performance, extensive format support, and creative tools. On top, Edius 11 offers a wide range of new features, simplify and accelerate your workflow. Utilize AI to optimize your results and be more creative. Edius 11 comes with a set of AI tools, and because of its open structure, Edius 11 is ready for the integration of third-party AI services. Spice up your projects with new, ready-to-use glitch effects. Simply add them to videos, animations, logos, graphics, and titles. To help you quickly find the optimal effect, Edius 11 now shows all transitions with an animated icon. Color correction has never been easier. A new intelligent filter based on human perception automatically optimizes your video footage, even with challenging material. Utilizing AI-based voice recognition, Edius 11 now allows you to eliminate even extreme noise better than ever before. To further optimize audio, Edius 11 includes a new dedicated audio editor, which also supports an AI-based speech-to-text workflow. The new integrated fast and powerful titler allows you to burn this text and other subtitle files into the video. You can easily change the style of the subtitles by choosing from different designs. Edius 11 now allows a quick and easy project start. Start up an Edius 11 project that automatically matches the clip settings. Edius 11 makes it easy to create video for social media. Optimized project and export presets in horizontal, vertical, and square formats are included for various social media platforms. Unleash your creativity and save time by using adjustment clips when applying effects to multiple clips. Enjoy a new world of possibilities with native OFX plugin support. Integrate more effects and filters and work more efficiently. Edius includes Mink, a comfortable and powerful tool to help you manage your media files. Mink 11 offers an enhanced clip management to quickly prepare your footage for editing. Set in and out points, add markers, tags, and comments, and highlight clips by changing their color. And rating. The new Edius 11 Mink tab puts these tools and assets at your fingertips directly in Edius. The optional Chorus Hub server enables Edius 11 editors to collaborate with others. The open API structure allows you to automate processes and connect with AI services, online as well as offline. Edius 11 offers extended GPU decoding and support for the latest PC hardware. Edit anything is so much more than just a slogan. No other editor natively supports such a vast variety of formats and codecs. With Edius 11, you will always be able to use the latest camera, drones, smartphones, and more. Edius 11 will be released and available for purchase on October 11, 2023. Find more information about Edius 11 at edius.net.